Hey, what's up? My name's Nathaniel. I'm a WalkSmart ambassador, and today I'm going to talk about their repair service. Firstly, warranty. What does it offer? When you buy a product with WalkSmart, the warranty you get lasts 12 months. The warranty covers product faults, but not physical damage. If your warranty covers it, you can come into store and we will repair your product for free. Now honestly, there are slightly cheaper options. However, they don't come with this warranty and it'll cost you to get repairs done. If your product breaks down, you have to contact the manufacturer to get new replacement parts. And those manufacturers could be based in another country that you can't even contact. That's why we have this repair service, because we want you to get the most out of your scooter, your board, your hoverboard. Here at WalkSmart, a warranty means you are worry-free. Here at WalkSmart, we even offer solutions in our repair service that you might not get anywhere else. If you bust a tire on your Xiaomi electric scooter, it sucks. So you come in to get it repaired. We offer a tubeless tire which cannot get punctured. You could go for the tube, which is the cheaper alternative. However, for the tubeless tire, you pay a little bit more and you'll never have to buy a tire again. A really good part about the repair service is there's a cafe right next door that you can just sit down, relax, wait for your scooter to get fixed, and then you can come on back inside and have your scooter ready to go when you're out the door. Thanks for watching. My name's Nathaniel. Make sure you follow WalkSmart on Facebook, Instagram, and check out our website, walksmart.com.au. And I know the staff are excited to see you in store one day. So come on down to 313 Harris Street in Piedmont, Sydney.